A Tesla Cybertruck was completely submerged underwater and pulled out from a river in New Moscow. We wonder how it ended up there. The truck was being extracted from a river, using divers, excavators, and tow trucks, with no details on the driver or cause. The Cybertruck was a $170,000 imported rarity. Amid import sanctions, the Cybertruck was pulled out of the water using the red rope. As it emerges, water pours out from the vehicle, indicating it was fully submerged. The rescue operation was complex, with divers securing ropes before a Volvo tow truck and excavators haul the submerged vehicle onto grassy terrain. The Cybertruck was carefully maneuvered onto the flatbed trailer. The team adjusts the position of the vehicle to ensure it is stable and secure for transport.